how to add a navigation menu in WordPress. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can add a navigation menu into your WordPress site. So if you're looking to develop your WordPress site and you are trying to elevate your WordPress site, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, one thing to note is that if you're using things like starter templates or any other types of template creators, your site experience is going to look really different. So this is going to vary depending on the type of site you have created. So if you have a simple site using only WordPress, then you're going to have a different experience as to building your menus as compared to a template. Because my template is already stylized, my menu is going to look a whole lot more different, but the way to add your menu is still going to remain the same. So firstly, I'm going to remove my current one and I'll build a new one from scratch. To do this, all you have to do is go ahead and go into Appearance on the left of your WordPress dashboard. Once you do that, you are going to go ahead and go into Appearance, and under Appearance, you're going to find a section called Menus. Click on that particular section, and once you do, you're going to select your footer menu or your header menu. So I have my Algomind menu, which is my header menu. I'm going to click on Delete Menu completely because I want to just delete both of these and I want to build them from scratch. So I'll click on Delete, and then this will delete both of my menus, and now my site won't have any menus. And the reason that a lot of people like to add their own menus is because you want to customize the things that you're writing in your menu, as well as customize the phrasing of or the way that you have titled your menus as well. Now, to start building our menu, firstly, I'm going to add my menu name on the left. This is just going to be my header menu. After that, you have your menu settings. Firstly, I'm going to include this in my headers and then click on Create Menu. Once I've done that, so a simple menu will now be created, which is empty. And from here, I can start adding pages. Now you might say, hey, how do I add pages into a menu from here? Well, on the left, you will see by default all of the pages that you have. This includes things such as your pages, which are, for me, some of them are from my membership sign-up pages. Then I also have posts, which are my blog posts. Then I also have products. Then I also have custom links, categories, as well as my product categories, product tags, and WooCommerce endpoints. Now, for this, firstly, I want to create a section for my blogs. So I will click on Select All, and I want to add all of these in my menu. So I'll click on Add to Menu, and all of these will be added. Now, you will see all of these items are added, but sometimes this can be a bit overwhelming. So I'm going to make all of these submenu items like this. So I'm just going to move them towards the right over here, and I'm just going to move all of these towards the right, like so. And I'm not going to move them too much towards the right because I want all of them to be a submenu of one item, not of the entire section. We're just going to do that. And then after that, I can create a custom link, which is going to be to my posts pages. So if I have a page that is going to be designated towards all of my blogs, I can create a separate page, which is just going to be a directory to all of my blog pages. So I'm just going to restructure all of these as submenu items to my chatbot bonanza. And I'm going to click on this, and the navigation menu for this is going to be blogs, like this. And then once I've done that, I can just click on over here and everyone can view this link. And just like that, I have a really nice section for blogs and a drop-down menu. And I'll click on Save Menu as I go to make this easier. Now, after that, I want to create my second menu item, which is going to be my ultimate member pages. So I have account, logout, members, register, login, resources, contact. Now, over here, I am going to include my logout, members, or logout, register, login pages. And I'm just going to include these two pages, and I'll click on add to menu. And I want this to be login and registration pages, which are viewable by everyone that is either logged in or logged out. After that, I am going to select the rest of the pages, which includes password resets, account information, members, as well as users, contact, resources, and then click on add to menu. Once these are added to the menu, I'm going to bulk select these. So I'll bulk select these endpoints over here. And then after that, I'm going to open these up, and I'm only going to make these available for members that are logged in. So we want to make sure that these are only available to logged in users like this. And once I've done that, I can click on Save Menu to save the rest of these items. Now, after that, I might want to create a footer menu, which might include things such as my privacy policies, shipping policies, or any other policy. You can create a separate menu for that, and that would be added into your footer. And you can just tick the option for the display location to be in the footer of your site. Now from here, I am going to refresh. I'm going to save my menu first. And once it has been done, if I just refresh my website on WordPress, you guys will see this is what my new menu looks like. So it looks pretty nice. And I don't think I need to add these menu items for login and sign up because we already have a template menu item. So for that, I'm going to bulk select these sections, which are the password reset, login, and registration, and I'll click on remove selected items. Instead, I'm going to include my product, so I'll click on select all and then add to menu, as well as maybe, let's say we want to include our orders or account details if we want, but I think our menu looks fine, so I'm just going to save it as it is. Now, once I have saved it on my dashboard, I can open up this section, and you will see if I open up the blog section, it has a drop down menu, and the drop down menu has all of the blogs that we had. Now, if I want to change the appearance of my menu, I can click on edit page or customize to edit this page and customize the appearance in my Elementor editor or WordPress editor or your starter templates editor. So you can open up Templately and edit it according to the, pre-existing site builder you've used, or you can also use your Elementor editor or WordPress editor. That just depends on the compatibility of the template that you have. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to add navigation menus like these onto your site. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.